Hello guys, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Megha Chopra and today I'm gonna review this Inside Key matte eyeshadow palette. It is in the shade color coded. So yeah, I came up with this look. If you want to see my review on this palette, should you purchase it or not? And in general, if you want to see how why I'm fumbling how I got this look, please keep on watching. Okay, so let's just start with the tutorial and the review. I showed you guys the palette I'm gonna review. It's in the shade color coded. I might have told you. Okay. If I look like I was crying, so believe it, I was. If you want to know the reason, go hop on to my vlogs. Okay. So these are all matte shades, and I'm very, very excited to try it on. So I'm just thinking of using these two. Let me just show you guys the swatches सबके. Oh my god, it feels like I'm going to play Holi and yellow and blue रह गए ना. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So pretty. I can't believe this. This is not beer. This is kesar sharbat. This is nice. Anywho, okay, since I'm wearing blue, I'm thinking of going with purp- pink and yellow color, and just smoking my lower lash line with the blue color. So yeah, I am thinking of. I just an idea click कि इसके साथ मैं 5 look करूँ. So if you guys want me to do 5 looks with this palette, I'll surely do. Okay, so let me just show you. पैन में इतना किकबैक नहीं है. अब पाउडरी ने इट इज पाउडरी, बट एक पॉइंट में आके इट्स नॉट, बट इट इज पाउडरी. बट आई डोंट माइंड, यू गाइज नो. आई एम जस्ट गोइंग ओवरबोर्ड बिकॉज मैं एनी विच वेज क्लीन करूँगी इसे. तो द पिगमेंट इज रियली नाइस. लेट मी जस्ट पैट इट. प्रॉपर पैटिंग होती है ना. लेट मी जस्ट डू इट. वेरी नाइस. इम्प्रेस्ड. एंड ये नहीं है कि मैंने डस्ट ऑफ नहीं किया. एज यू गाइस सॉ, ये बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो रहा है इवन दो इट वाजंट डस्ट ऑफ. कैन यू सी इट ब्लेंडेड. रियल टाइम में दिखाया मैंने जो भी ब्लेंड हुआ. रियली नाइस. रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. ओके, अभी मैं क्या करूँगी. लेट मी जस्ट हैव अ फ्लैट ब्रश. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग दिस ब्रश. इट्स वेरी रैंडम ब्रश. तो आई नो येलोज की पिगमेंटेशन इतनी नहीं होती है, बट सिंस आई एम रिव्यूइंग दिस पैलेट, तो मैं पहले बिना स्प्रे के ड्राई ब्रश में आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक द येलो शेड. इट्स अ लिटिल बिट चॉकी, आई एम नॉट गोना लाई. एंड इसका है पाउडरीनेस. मैंने आपको बोल दी इट्स पाउडरी. द पैलेट इज पाउडरी. व्हाट. For a yellow shade without spraying brush, this pigment is not at all bad. Not at all bad. Oh my god. Let me just spray it. I'm taking this good vibes for mist. I sprayed it. Now let's just take. Okay, laser spray on my mirror. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, the yellow was a little bit chalky. Okay, this is after 2 layers. अगर मैंने स्प्रे किया, 3 layers in total, and I am not complaining for the price you pay. Not complaining at all, honey. Not complaining at all. Let me just see कि fingers से क्या pigmentation है. Oh yeah, it's better with fingers. देखो पिंक में तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत आई ही नहीं है. Let me just use orange and just mix in the pink. I know I'm gonna look like a fool, but who cares? Taking a little bit orange and just no, no problem with orange. It stained a little bit, but it's doable. 100 points. You can work with these palettes. I am loving this. I know it's a bit powdery, I know, but it's not like it does nothing. It like I created this eye look with this. So you can work with it. You have to build it up a little. And I'm just saying building up part for yellow. ना orange में मुझे दिक्कत लगी, ना मुझे pink में लगी. And yellows are any which ways very difficult to work with. So just keep in mind. Now I'm taking a pointy brush. I know मैंने अपना base makeup नहीं किया है. I'm gonna show you guys this. Okay, the palette is powdery. It is 100% powdery. But I don't have any problem if the palette works. अगर काम कर रही है तो मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. See? Did you see? Should I take it here? Okay, I should. I'm loving this eye look. Did you see the blendability? You can see. Okay, I'm just gonna complete my makeup and come back and give you the final review. Actually था ये भी. Okay, so I'm back with my base makeup, eye makeup, everything, and we have something to talk about. Okay, so this palette retails for 249 rupees, and you can see the result here. Okay, सो दिस इज़ नॉट द काइंड ऑफ पैलेट कि इसमें आपको पिगमेंटेशन एक बारी में मिल जाएगी, एंड वो भी मैं सिर्फ येलो है इसमें इसलिए कह रही हूँ. ऑरेंज और पिंक मैंने ट्राई किया एंड ब्लू भी किया मैंने. 1 स्वाइप पिगमेंटेशन है. द ओनली ड्रॉबैक दैट आई सॉ वॉज कि ये पाउडरी है, बट आई डोंट complain. I don't have any complaints because it's such a nice palette. They are providing you with colors in this range is also very commendable, very commendable. And it's not like you cannot work with it. अगर मैं work नहीं कर पाती तो मैंने ये look ना create की होती, to be very honest. But the only thing that you have to keep in mind कि you have to build it slow by slow. And मैंने इसे बहुत बारी build किया, like मैंने pink के ऊपर फिर orange apply किया, yellow apply किया, तो उसके बाद मैंने pink apply किया, तो बहुत सारी layering हो रही थी, as you can see. But it was not patchy, it was not getting patchy, that for sure, that is for sure. So I would highly recommend this palette if you are on a budget and you're looking for colorful palette, but please keep that in mind, it is powdery. But I always say this, एक आई शेडो अगर पाउडरी है तो ब्लेंड होने में बहुत easily blend हो जाती है, and it blends easily too. So yeah, you can work with this palette and I would rate it 9 on 10. Yeah, I love this palette. You can actually purchase this palette and use this. I'm definitely gonna make 5 look out of this. So yeah, it is such matte colors you are getting. It's so commendable. So this was it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take really good care of yourself. I love you all. Thank you.